In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Grand Peace Online on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access and play Grand Peace Online directly on your iPad. Keep in mind that I am recording this video on my phone. I apologize, I don't have the means to access an iPad at the moment, but you will still be able to follow the instructions here to play Grand Peace Online on your iPad. All that you have to do is open Roblox and use the search function to look for the experience. So look for Grand Peace Online inside of Roblox and you will be able to find it. As you can see, it is a very popular experience, so it should be the first result to pop up. So choose Grand Peace Online. You will be able to browse through the description here and you can confirm that it is the official one because of the fact that it has almost 1 billion visits. So once you find Grand Peace Online, just go ahead and join. You will notice that they even say mobile is now fully supported. So tap the green button to join. When you join the experience, you will be ready to play, so you can browse through all of the modes. You will be able to set sail if you just want to start playing right away, or you can go over to the Universal Hub to browse through more game modes. You can also go over to customize to change your character's appearance and other attributes, and then join private servers if you want to play alone or with your friends. If you tap set sail, which is going to be the main way to play, you will be able to load into a random server and start playing. So you will have full access to everything available in Grand Peace Online. So you can move around, interact with NPCs, you will be able to get quests. I already have a quest active, and then you can join and start playing. So combat will function just like it would on PC or any other platform. You can use all of the buttons, everything will be adjusted, and it is overall a nice experience to play on mobile. So you will be able to explore other islands, you can level up, improve your attributes, and play through the entirety of Grand Peace Mobile on your iPad or any other mobile device. Your progress will be transferred over, so if you ever switch platforms, you will have access to everything that you have unlocked. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Grand Peace Online on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.